Yeah. Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program which will make the count of all the lines present in a file. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. When this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter the name of the file. Then your program needs to make the count of all the lines present in that file. So as you can see here, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it asks the user to enter the file name. Then let us suppose user has entered sample.txt. Then if that file exists, then it should return the count of lines. Let us say line count is 10. Let us suppose there are 10 lines present in that file sample.txt. Okay, so how you can write the code for this particular program? So for writing the shell program, you first need to check whether this particular file sample.txt exists in the system or not. Okay, so for that you need to set an if condition. If -f dollar file name. Okay, next I will use not. Okay, if this file name does not exist, this file name is a variable which will hold the name of the file sample.txt. If this file didn't exist, then I will show not found. Else I will make a count using wc -l. Word count. WC stands for word count, and this -l will make the count of all the lines present in that file. Okay, now I will pass the file name $file name. Okay, so now the content of this file name gets stored or gets passed as an input to this wc command, where the wc command will count the lines present under this file name. Okay, so this is our program. So I will be writing down this program. So I will start the program using shebang usr bin bash, then read -p, enter the file name. Let us say the name of the variable is file name. Next, I will check in condition. If this file didn't exist, okay, $file name, then okay, I will display echo file not found. Okay, else I will use a variable line count which will store the count of total lines present in that file, is equals to $wc space -l and then less than operator and file name. Let us suppose user has entered the name of the file as sample.txt, then that sample.txt file name gets stored inside this file name variable, and the data of this file gets passed as an input to wc command, where wc command will count the number of lines present under that file and it will print end if, and at the end I will print echo total number of line count is $line count. Okay, so this is a very simple program where we are finding the number of lines present under the file. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this program. So that's all for this video, guys. if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.